Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to remove Gemini from an Android phone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. First off, open up setting and scroll down. You go to apps icon, tap on apps and search here. You search at Gemini and scroll down, tap on disable. Disabling this app may cause other apps to stop working currently. Tap on disable apps. Okay, go back setting. Go back your home, and for example, when you long press to power button, Gemini will appears, and to turn this off, head to main setting again.
The S2
Search here Gemini. Tap on Gemini setting and go down. Tap on Digital Assistant from Google and tap on Google Assistant. Tap on switch button and again go back Gemini setting. Tap on skin contact. Tap on analyze on skin text and again Gemini setting and tap on Google Assistant feature in Gemini setting. Tap on use Google Assistant feature and go back your setting and tap on advanced setting, advanced feature and tap on side button and tap on how to power off your phone. Sorry, mistake. Long press button, tap and go down. You can see that power off menu. Tap on power off menu. After that, if you press and hold power button, you will see a power off menu. Thanks for watching my video. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe my channel.